Hi everyone. This question here asks us to solve these linear systems by graphing. Okay, well, so we'll just start with this one right here. To graph this, there's a couple of ways we can do this here. I like using converting these things into slope-intercept form, and I'll show you why in just a second here, but you could do this by finding the x and y intercepts of these things and connecting them. However, I find that having just those 2 points is typically not enough to get a really clear view of the line here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take equation 1 here, and I'm going to rewrite this into slope-intercept form. So it'll be negative 2y is going to equal positive 3x plus 16, and I'll divide by negative 2. So y is equal to negative 3 halves x minus 8. Okay, so divide everything through by 2 here. Now, my y-intercept is negative 8. So let's take a quick look at the graph here. Okay, negative 8. And my slope is negative 3 over 2. Sorry, I'm pointing at it, you can't see it. Negative 3 over 2. So a rise of negative 3, a run of 2 here. Now I can't do from here, I can't go down the 3 over 2. So I have to do this backwards. I'm going to do up 3 and then go to the left 2. So I'm going to let the run be negative. Now there's 2 points. I could plot that, but I find that it's easier to have more points. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, there's another point. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, there's another point. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, another point. And then I'm going to go off the page here. And so now I'm going to connect all of those dots right there. Now my line isn't perfectly straight, and that's okay. At least I have a bunch of points that I know it goes through. Okay, line 2, I'm going to do the same thing. Whoops, sorry, up here. Line 2, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to isolate the y. This is a little bit easier. I'm just going to get x minus 8. Okay, so this has got a y-intercept of negative 8 and a slope of 1. Now, the other line I had a y-intercept of negative 8. So the two lines are going to intersect right here. However, I would draw in a bunch of the other points here. My slope for the second line is 1, so that means 1 up over 1. So basically, I'm going to be all along here. Coming back, and I can connect those dots. But the point of intersection is quite clearly going to be the point 0, negative 8.